This conference will now be recorded.
So in this session, we will see how to upload images into HTML page. So this is the last session class. So we had learned how to print headings, H1, H2, H3, how to print any paragraph, how to create or how to print any hyperlink in our HTML page. So today we will see how to upload any image to the HTML page. So first of all, let me arrange one image to be uploaded. For example, I want this image to be uploaded into my HTML page. So let us see how to do that. I will use the same document, you can open the document with Notepad. So this particular coding part is used for printing heading. This is for printing a paragraph, and this is for printing a hyperlink. So now the point is, how can you upload any image to the HTML document? So the element we need to use is image, img. HTML images are defined with the tag img. So we know about these tags. So img is the tag we need to use to upload any image. And the attributes, as we already know, every tag can have its own attributes. So the attributes for this img tag are, one is SCR, which we call it as source file, and another one is ALT, which we call it as alternate text. It is used to assign some alternate text. And also we have width, where you can assign some width, and height are provided as attributes of this img tag. So the tag for uploading image is img. The various attributes we have here are src, not scr, it is src. src, where you have to provide a source name. ALT, where you will be providing an alternate text for it. Width and height. So how much width the image should be and what is the height of the image should be. So let us try the same thing. So here, so img is the tag, and I want to use attributes. So scr is the attribute, means source file. What is the location of your image that you have to mention it here? The location of your image. So go to properties. I want to upload this image. Go to properties, and this will be the location. So provide the location of the file along with the file name. HTML is the file name, I guess. HTML is along with the file name. So in SRC, you will be providing the location of the file. Then ALT, you'll be providing alternate text. So the text that I want to give here is HTML class 1, and the width you can give whatever the width you want. So width, suppose I will give it as say 800 or 700, and height I'll give it as height also I'll give it as 700. 700 height. That's it. You can close the tag. So save it and run it. So you can run it by right click, by opening it with some browser. So not JPG. Yeah. So we forgot to give the file type JPG. So now you can notice that the image got uploaded here. So in SRC, we have to provide the location of the file along with the file name and file type. So this is how we upload the image to HTML page. And next we will see, so we already know about this HTML elements. What is meant by HTML element? A HTML element is defined by a start tag and end tag. So for example, tag name, and here comes some content of yours, and it will end with end tag, / tag name. It will end with end tag. So we have tags like h1, which will end with /h1, tag p, which is for paragraph, which will end with /p, and also some tags will not have end tag. For example, br. Some HTML elements have no content, like the br element. These elements are called empty elements. Empty elements do not have end tag. So this is used to provide some space here. So for example, this is our document, right? So here, after this hyperlink, I am using br. Save it, and now refresh this. You can see it is coming into the next line. The image is coming to the next line. So that is where we use this br. And some elements, some HTML elements will display correctly even if you forget the end tag. For example, if I forget to give this end tag called p, and here also, for example, if I forget to give the end tag p, still if you run this, it will print correctly. So here I think we remove br. Let me give br here. Yeah. So even though you forgot to give end tag for parameters, still it is working correctly. And one more point is HTML tags are not case sensitive. You can use small letters or you can use capital also. But doesn't matter. So even though if I am giving capital letters, it is still working fine. So next we will see about nested HTML elements. So HTML elements can be nested. That means the elements can contain another elements, mean element inside the element. So all HTML documents consist of nested elements. For example, let me take one scenario. So here I can give a tag HTML, which will end it here. HTML, and body is one more tag, which will end it here. So here, remove this. Yeah, this HTML element here, it is a root. This element is the root element, and it defines the whole HTML document. It has a start tag and an end tag. Then inside this HTML, another element we have is body element. So this body element defines the document's body. Then inside this body element, there are again h1 elements, paragraph elements, and h1 also ends with h1 and end tag. So these are all nothing but nested elements only, right? The elements inside another element, like this.
Thanks for watching. Drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to watch more videos like this.